Hi guys, this is Sonic Group again, me and my partner James. Okay, we will be talking about this week number 27, 2018 look ahead. All right, this week we will be having quite a lot of new items coming up, quite a lot of high impact news item coming up. So we have we'll be having an Aussie rate decision later on. All right, and we also have quite a lot of impact items coming up, as you can see from here. And there are a few things that I would like to point out is that, of course, on Thursday night, it's rather early time on the Friday in terms of Asia. We will be having a FOMC meeting minutes. I think it's going to be quite impactful. Somehow, most of the time, right? Those FOMC meeting is normally on Wednesday night, Thursday morning, but this time is slightly different. Yeah, please take a look on that. And last but not least, I would like to bring your attention on this guy as well, non-farm payroll. Okay, so I'm expecting this week gonna be quite a big so-called volatile weeks. Okay, just one thing to take, another thing to take you notice is that actually we are in the World Cup season, and market is supposed to have low liquidity. So low liquidity doesn't mean that there won't be any movement on the market itself, because sometimes even in the low liquidity, actually the market maker can use it as a chance to swing around the market to wipe people out, at the same time they like to take the position that they want as well. So in the so-called low thin volume season, right, market can move so-called erratically as well. So I want you to take note of that as well, because we are currently in the World Cup season. Okay, so let's do some analysis here. There are a few things that I want to point out on. Okay, first I would like to talk about US dollar Canadian. As you can see, US dollar Canadian, we are last Friday we have a very good sell down. Rather, we have a pretty decent sell down last Friday. And what happened yesterday and what is happening right now is that they are just sort of like just an inside buy over inside buy. So it's not doesn't really mean so much at the moment yet. But because of the last sell down over the last week, I am expecting sooner or later they're gonna continue with the trend at the moment. The current trend is I'm talking about the sell side. So sooner or later they should really go and retest this level again, minimum 1.3120 level. So this is what I'm expecting. Market can go back to retest this level again. So I am slightly on the bearish note on the US dollar Canadian. All right. Okay, what am I saying? So basically US dollar Canadian, anything Canadian. All right, US dollar Canadian, Aussie Canadian, anything. All right, they are sort of indirectly proportionate with the oil, right? So now oil is such a bullish trend, so they will bring this kind of pair down further as well. So I'm expecting this for this case, US dollar Canadian, they shall go down further. All right, so I'm expecting bearishness on this one. Another one I would like to talk about is gold here. Okay, so there is no way or there's no reason gold to go up pretty quick soon, because in my opinion they should easily go near to 1.1238, this kind of level sooner or later as well. So if you are looking for a short, okay, of course, definitely you are late for sure already, because gold, there have been a very nice short, kind of like a chance. It was like a 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks ago. If you are looking for a short right now, and if you didn't have any short priorly, basically you are late for the game at the moment. Okay, what I'm saying right now is actually is late to short, but way too early to long as well. Because as you can see, look at the price action. There's no bullish price action to be to be talked about, and we are not really going way past below the previous swing yet. So I think they can swing down next minimum 50 to 60 pip just to go down shy below this swing level, and maybe by then we may have some bullish looking kind of like a signal to show up. So at the moment, I would suggest not to long at the moment, and of course if you want to short as well, okay, I would say a little bit late on that as well. But in the overall trend, I'm thinking that it is stay pretty much on the bearish side at the moment. All right, so as you can see here, the market having really going down. I can see here a lot of people might be trying to long, and okay, you get it long and you get it wrong is part of the game. But you long, you get it wrong, and you long again, you get it wrong, and there's something wrong with the trading plan already, because market have been really one-way street for the past 3 weeks. All right, so to conclude, go a little bit late to long, and definitely way too early to a little bit late to short, sorry, and definitely way too early to long at the moment. Okay. Okay, another one is US dollar JPY. Okay, what is happening to US dollar JPY? They have a very nice play here. You can see last Monday they tried to bring all the way down, you know, to so-called to make people think that it's on the sell down already. What happened? People may have a lot of sell stock are being triggered on the last Monday itself. Okay, I'm not talking about this week Monday, the last week Monday. All right, so what happened after that? All market go all the way up and go to where? Of course, go to this swing level again. So there's a reason why they are sort of like slowing down a little bit. But in my opinion, the bullishness is can be strong, likely to strong. So I think sooner or later they can break up further. Okay, same thing, a little bit late to long, but I think it's going long is still the better choice in my opinion. Okay, they can go to 111.3. They can go to 111.3, should be quite easy sooner or later. So I'm slightly bullish on JPY pair, especially US dollar JPY at the moment. All right. Okay, and the last but not least, I would like to talk about Bitcoin. Okay, if you follow our Telegram, if you follow our trading view, okay, you will be known in advance that we have been telling about the potential bullishness of the, you know, this Bitcoin is coming up, because one of the reasons is very simple. Okay, we have a very nice so-called swing level around this region, which is around 5.756, somewhere around this region. So we are saying that, you know, there might be some sort of rebound is coming up. So, you know, we have been wanting a lot of followers. So actually we have a very good rebound for the past few days, right? So at the moment, try not to short at the moment yet, because it should easily go to 6,800 level first. So at the moment we still have a little bit more bullish upsides to go. Okay, so this is what I have for today. Let me see what I've. Okay, I can tell you more about the Dow Jones as well. So today I have covered UCAD, I have covered gold, I have covered UJ, I have covered Bitcoin, and I would like to cover Dow Jones as well. Okay, guys, take a look on the Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is they have a pretty nice and decent sell down recently as well. Currently, they are sort of hold by this so-called bullish trend, right? Because you see, whenever the so-called the trend line is being touched, sort of this, they have some sort of rebound is showing up. Okay. One thing about trend line is that they don't really guarantee that the market will from there it will touch up all the way up or whatever, but you know, they should have some sort of like power over this. So you can see that the market have been trying very hard to push it back up. How do we know? We have a lot of pin here, right? So what might be in the play is that I think because of a lot of pin, people will come in and jump on the long side, which is nothing wrong. Okay, nothing wrong, but you know, they might be putting the stop loss just shy below the pin. So what will happen to the market? Most likely the market may come back just below the pin again, just to stop them out first, even if they want to go up later. Okay, so it's like this is something that I want you to take note of, because you know, if you see a pin, okay, I am going to long now, I put a stop loss below. No, market is not that simple for sure. So I'm not ruling out the potential of market going down back to 23k level, 23,800, 23,900 level as well. So I'm still slightly bearish, and if I want to be bullish, I would rather wait somewhere around this level first, because market maybe they have one more surprise under the sleeve first. So I'm not bullish at all at the moment. I think they have a better chance of going to 23,900 level or 23,800 level first. So I'm not hurry in the long at all. So thank you very much. I have covered quite a number, 5 of them, and yep, James bro, can take over. Thank you. Bro, I think I cannot hear your voice. Can you take a look on that?
Oh, all right. Alright, so with the increase in oil prices, so I'm looking at pound Canadian dollars could be going down even further. Right, so looking at it, CAD has just recently broken its support zone at this 1.74 zone. So with this level is still holding on right now, it's acting as a resistance. I'm seeing that the price could go down even lower towards the next level at 1.72. Okay, and the next pound pair that I'll be looking through that has some low risk entry, could give us some low risk entry trade will be the pound to New Zealand dollars, which is right now in the resistance level. We are obviously very late to jump into the long trade now, but it's still currently too early to look for a short. Even though it is at a resistance level, PA wise is still showing extremely bullishness. Alright, so should you like to wait for a short trade, I would say at least wait for your PA to show you the direction first before jumping into the trade. Alright, so we need to have this momentum candle to be on our side before looking to take any position. Lastly, EA is a trade that is similar to CAD. Both of these has already broken past this kind of resistance level. So we have we have Aussie news coming up at 12:30 later, and let's see how it will turn out to be. Personally, I think that I'm bullish bias on this so long as 1.57 zone is holding on towards the price. Alright, so this will be the next support level, and should it hold, this will be a good area for us to look for possible lowest entry trade, and the next resistance level to take our profit off the table will be at 1.6 level. Alright, so these are the analysis that we have for this week, and we thank you guys for watching. Alright, so see you guys in next week. Alright, thank you.